I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing Amaya Raine Day with Dory's Dollies, and her link is in the title. Be sure and go by Dory's today. For Amaya Raine, the Q words or subject this month was back to school or business as usual. I like that. So I'm doing both. First of all, I want to show you she's untied. One of my very favorite, like top of the list, rainbow high dolls. Love, love, love this girl. I like her twin too, but this girl I absolutely love. This is Lauren, and she came with a twin sister. She has this outfit on because the last time she came down, she was came down for a picnic. We've pierced her. Do they come with their ears pierced? I can't remember. I think we pierced these, didn't we?
I don't remember.
You know, I don't either, but she's got some cute little red hoops. I love, love, love that. Darren makes these shoe soles, and I took elastic and made some little mules. Love those. But I wanted to show you her hair, which I'm not taking back down. Dory from Dory's Dollies did this hairstyle at the first Dolly meetup I actually hosted it also. I had a co-host, and Dory was there, and my doll was sitting there, and she put this beautiful fishtail braid that started as what we call French braid. And I love it. One of my favorite dolls. So I was in Walmart. I haven't been doing this, but business as usual, right down the clearance line. And I could not pass this girl up. First of all, one of my favorite dolls. Love, love, love this outfit. She's got her little backpack. When I get her out, you'll see how cute the little backpack is. $13, could not pass her up. We're going to get her out of the box and show you a little bit about her. I love these rainbow high dolls. They are so well made, or let me rephrase that, used to be so well made. Their clothing is amazing. It really is made well. A lot of people don't like Velcro. I am not a Velcro hater. I like it. It's quick, it's easy, doesn't rust. For this minute, I'm not taking her hair down. They do send a comb with each rainbow high. I just thought she was a little cutie, and I couldn't walk past her at $13. Look at their little shoes. Is that not cute? The little socks are amazing. She's just well made. I really, really am glad I went ahead and got this doll. She has a rubber band under her wrist. I'm hoping that's why this hand is loose. But even if it's not, yeah, that's what it is. It's pushing that up. I wanted to show you her backpack. Let's go ahead and take it. Well, yeah, let's take it off and get this off her hand and see if that doesn't correct it. These dolls are so wrapped up in the box. We have so much theft in America today. It's disgraceful, and it really makes it, that you can't blame NGM for putting these dolls in the box the way that they do. It's like a vault. Anyway, look at her little bag. It has Velcro. It actually opens. I'm not going to take the paper out, but it's stuffed. It's really nice fabric. It's like metallic. But look at the little rings and the chain. How cute that is. That is just cute and different and fun. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please, if you have a video for Amaya Raine Day, and don't forget, Amaya Raine Day just means anybody in the rainbow high line. Any doll you have, rainbow high, shadow high, junior high, we don't care. Great big Amaya, we don't care. We just want to see your Amaya Raine or your rainbow highs today and enjoy your videos too. If you have made a video today, please let me know in the comments. They're not showing me in my lineups everybody anymore. So if I haven't been by to your channel, get my attention because it's just an oversight. I want to see your videos. Thank you for watching. Be sure to go by Dory's today. Dory, thank you. And don't forget, on the 16th, we have Dolls Gone Goth. And on the 18th, and when I say we, I mean Dory and I, we host each month Amaya Raine Day on the 3rd, Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th, and Hi Barbie on the 18th. Something for everybody. Thank you so much. Join in on the fun. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.